Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's December 3rd, 2022. It's been above freezing since yesterday, probably about noon. It's actually up to 45 degrees Fahrenheit right now. So one of the things I want to do is clean out the tracks. I already went over to Elon over there and used the shovel to clean out as much of the material from the tracks. And I have the Hulk in here. I only used it briefly yesterday to smooth some area out, but even though the tracks are not a big problem, I try to keep the tracks as clean as possible, especially during the winter time. I never know what I'm going to have to use it for, and you don't want any material in your tracks. And I'll try and blow off all the material around the bucket as well, the hydraulics and all, get that cleaned up. So that's what I'm going to do this morning. So hopefully things will go well. Time to do some cleaning.